So we all have heard of Bard, ChatGPT, DALL-E, etc., and much more. But we haven't heard anything from Apple, and I wonder why. Well, we know that Siri is the worst personal assistant. The most advanced command that you could do with Siri right now is to send a message to somebody else, which is insane regarding the competition that we have right now. Google Assistant has been far better even before this AI revolution. But here's the kicker. When Apple does something, they do it right. Look at the Vision Pro. Look at the widgets. Although you can't really customize them on iOS yet, but you could add stuff. But at least we have widgets on iOS that you could kind of tweak a little. Maybe if you have more time, that you could put a shortcut to open the app to just change the icon and everything. And yes, I understand that we don't have like themes, like fully customizable themes on iOS yet, but hopefully they'll come soon. We are looking at iOS 18 that is going to be announced on June and will be released to the public on September. We're looking at major AI improvements. And let me tell you guys, when I tell you it's major, it is, because we haven't had any changes at all on iOS since pretty much iOS 7. I'm talking icons wise. Well, the biggest change that we've had was iOS 14 with the introduction of widgets. But again, we haven't had really a groundbreaking change on iOS. Wouldn't you guys agree? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Other than that, I believe that the major improvements that we're gonna get with iOS 18 is gonna be AI related, and it's gonna be on Siri. And again, when Apple cooks something, they cook it right. Yes, the price of the Vision Pro, for example, if we look at it, is like $3,500, but again, it's the best ever VR experience that you could ever get with money as of right now. And we've seen rumors on Twitter talking about partnership with Google Pictures, with Tim Cook and Sundar Pichai, the Google CEO, sitting down on the same table discussing, you know, the business. Don't expect any major changes in the hardware when it comes to the new iPhone 16, because there wouldn't be any changes, I promise you. And I'm assuming right now that most of the Apple event that we're gonna get on June with the announcement of iOS 18 and the new softwares, most of that event is gonna be talking about AI and how AI is gonna change the world and how AI made the Apple experience in general great. And that was it for me in this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a subscribe, leave a like down there, and let me know all of your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think iOS 18 is gonna have major changes in the software and in the AI field? Or if you think that it's gonna be a yearly regular upgrade on iOS devices and we don't really expect major changes with Apple, let me know all of your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, this was Amgad. I'll see you next time.